Okay, welcome to the stream. Um, yeah, we're gonna be trying to polish these AirPods Pro. Okay, hopefully this does, I guess, fit the category for short circuit. I think it does. Proper cleaning of technology is an important aspect of technology. So, maintenance, not only cleaning, but maintenance, right? We want to maintain maintain our equipment. Instead of reuse and recycle, we want to reduce, right? We want our equipment to last. We want to be happy with it for longer periods of time. So this is an AirPod that I received, AirPods Pro that I received, yeah, it looks like it needs a little bit of polishing. So I'm going to be trying to do that today. I haven't done this before, but I have polished before. I am going to be using hot dogs and mayonnaise. That's my thing. I'm going to be using the Diamond Cut Compound 2.0 Meguiars. This one cuts very, very deep. But definitely don't want to be using toothpaste. I've seen people use toothpaste, but personally I wouldn't use toothpaste. But let's start by doing some rubbing alcohol first. We're just doing some 91%. This might be diluted down to a little bit lower than 91. If I'm not mistaken, it might not be, but we'll see. So just doing an initial cleaning to see how close we can get to clean. I think there's some scratches here, although they may not be scratches. Yeah, I'm pretty sure these are scratches. Yeah, so we're almost ready for jumping right into damn it. I wonder why this is a little watery. Okay. Just want to try to get a small area to see how much we can improve it, pretty much. But I can't seem to get enough of this stuff to come out. I think this may be dried up. I might need to grab a different one. I think I have a different one somewhere. No, I think that's enough. Yeah, that might work. Okay, this thing definitely has some very deep scratches. So I actually am a little curious about maybe doing some deep polishing on it. Yeah, I might do some deep polishing on it. So let's wipe this all away. I could use a Dremel. Yeah, the surface is definitely much improved. You can see the shine begin to come back. But it's still, I guess it's very deep. So, maybe we will consider doing Yeah, maybe I'll go grab some sandpaper. I'm gonna go grab some sandpaper and we'll do a little bit of wet sanding and see what that will do to it. Wait, what? Sorry. Okay, we're back. Alexa, turn on light stick. Okay. Okay, we have this one too. All right, but more importantly, I brought these bad boys. This is 3,000, so we want to start at maybe 1,000 at least. Okay, here's 1,500, and here's 800. Okay. Make things a little bit complicated because you don't want to. Oh, I know how. I'll do it like this. Mm-hmm. Okay, this was 800. Wonder if we can jump right to 1500. Might want to go to 1000 first, but I think we'll be fine. Truth be told, I'm not sure how soft it is. Usually I could tell by rubbing it with a little bit of water. Seems pretty soft. It's pretty consistent. You don't want to do too much, really. The best way to approach something you haven't done before when you're trying to polish is do as little as possible. Like, I really should have started with 1500 and very lightly and then tried to go further, but I have a little bit of a calibration in my head of where I think I should take this. So I did jump directly to the 800, and that is Coda safe. Coda safe. Yes, my boy. Yes, my boy. What's going on? Huh? What? You want to play? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you do. I know. Oh, oh. Calls out to his prey. I'm here to prey. Come out. I might be able to polish this, actually. It might be cool to see what happens. Hello, pretty boy. Ooh, nice and smooth. Smoother, not smooth, but smoother. We'll try to jump to 1500 right after. No guarantees, though. We really never know which way it'll go. Should be good enough, but we'll see. Yeah, I would say it's improved overall feeling. Okay. I'm just doing the face here. I wonder if we're revealing some mold outlines. No? Okay. Cool. Next. So now we're going to do 3000. Add a little bit of water. Maybe I should have washed it more between rounds. But it's plastic. I mean, it shouldn't really be self-abrasive. Not significantly, at least. Okay, I might go grab the Dremel real quick, because I think I'm going to need the Dremel for the polishing step. May not be necessary, but to really get a good result, you should try to use a Dremel, I think. Oops. Okay. Oh shit. I think I made a mistake, folks. Somehow a lot of water made it in, even though it was facing down the whole time. So, BRB. Yes, my boy. Okay, so let's try it, shall we? Well, I didn't find it downstairs. I think it's. Okay. What do you guys think? You guys think this Dremel is gonna work? Okay, we gotta set up the Dremel. First, let's look at the tips, I guess. Do I have a Dremel tip for polishing? I think I do. Yeah, I think these are an option, although I'm not sure how you would mount them exactly. It shouldn't be too difficult to do. Yeah. Okay. We do have this little thing. Well, that is pretty rough. Oh, I think it's this one. Yeah, I think it's this one that you use. Oh dear. Beautiful boy. What is that? Oh.
So since you did.
Let's see. Shall we? Looks good. This is too watery. I'm gonna need a new one. But this one might work. So we could start there. Right out. Whoa. I had no idea it was blue. I don't think I've ever used this one. Shit, it looks like toothpaste. Damn it. Okay, we can't have that. Much better. Definitely almost there. Maybe I should try this one. Maybe it'll work. Let's see. Pretty much as long as you get enough of it dried up in an area, it should work, I think. Bad idea. This was such a bad idea. Wrong place to be doing this. So stupid. I definitely have some small pieces of polishing material all over the place now. Not catastrophic, but it's annoying. And the best solution would be some kind of enclosure, but you can't have everything. Maybe we could finish the whole front end, but I think I want to try and get some more out of this thing. Damn it. Do I have another polish? I know I do, but nothing that I tried and trust. Cool. Yeah. Much improved. I would certainly consider that. Very, very good. Wow, it's so smooth. I love it. Okay. Let's get some close-ups here. What if I put on auto? I wonder if it'll detect it. Yeah, I think auto doesn't work here. So let's go back to manual. Okay. Again, let's look at this closely. Okay, this is the before. Okay. This is the after. I think that's significantly improved. I mean, I didn't even go all the way, but I think we could step it up now. Now that we know. So now, we'll do the thing, the whole thing. This might be outrageous to some, unnecessary, outrageous, whatever you want to call it. Now I'm wondering if I should keep the original finish on that back part, or if I should refinish it. And I'm thinking, let's just refinish it, right? Sorry, let's put that back on auto. Down. We're doing 800 grit here. Okay. The reason why is because I enjoy finishing things, to be honest. It's like very, very enjoyable for me. You know, people will usually finish woodwork, but I don't mind trying to refurbish something that average person would consider to be not really refurbishable. I just like that idea. I've never seen someone truly try to fix Airpods Pro. I wonder if we could restore them to brand new condition, at least the plastic shine. some gloves on. Just because I don't want plastic everywhere. But why? I don't know, man. I like it. I like the idea of restoring plastic. It's almost unheard of, but Apple has somehow made plastic something that you'd want to hold on to forever. I feel like this piece of technology is just so iconic, you know? It's just so fucking iconic, man. I mean, I'm still in awe, and we're 5 years in. You know, like this shit is alien technology, man. Okay, that was maybe a little too much water. Yes, my boy. Yes. What's wrong? You wanna play? Come here. Come say hi to Reddit. You wanna say hi to the Reddit people? Oh, thanks for the upvote. For the cat. Yes, indeed. Yes, my boy. Yes. Come here. Yes, yes. He wants to play. Come here. Okay. Now, hopefully, we can use this Dremel without absolutely destroying this thing. Okay. So let's here, yeah. Okay. Now, I love how controversial this is. It's so funny. A small thing. Be so controversial. So this is the pattern that came out, I guess. Instead of complete smoothness, we got this, unfortunately. Probably if I kept going, I would have got some smoothness here, but I didn't keep going, so. Okay, I am gonna go another round. I feel like with this, this here, might be a good idea. Get some decent polishing in. The new ones are not worth it. You should totally get AirPods Pro from eBay for 50% off with Social Good. Okay, perhaps it deserves a little bit of water. Okay. Thing about it is that with polish, it's really a balance of maintaining a certain level of humidity, you know, particle size, just a lot of stuff that goes into it. Beautiful. Now we give it a nice swipe down. Okay. And yeah, so if you guys scroll back in this stream, you'll see what the before picture looked like. And you'll see what it looks like now. And it looks amazing, let me tell you. If we can get this focus here. Okay. Of course, if I spent a little bit more time on it, this surface would likely be almost perfect. But I was, trying to get it done. Okay. Could also do some concentrated abrasion of these deep cuts. But yeah, the case looks beautiful. This is my old case. This is my case. So these ones were grade C that I bought. This is my case that I've had for a year or so. Actually, you know what? This was a replacement. I can't tell if this was a replacement case or not. I don't remember. I think they replaced the case too. But anyway, yeah, so I think it is a year old. Otherwise, it's 2 years old. But either way, this one was way worse. Like, so much worse than this one. But damn, why can't I get the focus? Okay, there we go. Cool. Even though I take pretty good care of it, you could see there's just a huge improvement after this polish. And I think it's actually worth it. If you enjoy polishing stuff, you know, worth it. This is good plastic. This is really good plastic. This is the way that plastic should be. It should be this reliable, this strong. Like, we should not feel like we have to compromise for using plastic. Plastic should not have to go out of fashion, I guess, so quickly, if you will. Although I think the sides could probably use a little bit more work. Yeah, I clearly did not spend as much time on the sides as opposed to the surfaces, because the surfaces are easier to sand down, right? So yeah, if I'm gonna do mine, I would spend maybe slightly more time on the sides in the 1500 and 800, or sorry, 1500 and 3000 grit. That way we can get a nice, beautiful shine. Otherwise, though, everything else seems legitimate. And yeah, so that's how you polish Airpods Pro. We started off with 800 grit sandpaper, and then we went to 1500, and then we went to 3000. Okay, we used a little bit of water. A lot of reasons to use water. Wet sanding is good. Provides smoother finishes. I think you know, I'm not 100% sure on that, but for sure it definitely prevents particles from flying everywhere. And so that's a significant thing that's worth considering, I would say. Just, you know, having this dust be inside of a liquid prevents it from flying everywhere, right? So that's the main reason why I did why I added the water, really. But yeah, I've always really done wet sanding in general when I do this kind of stuff. Yeah, and then after that, we polished it down with the Meguiar Diamond Cut Compound 2.0. I don't know how much this did. Sorry, let's autofocus it. Yeah, it's just having to switch between auto and not auto, okay? And then I followed up with this one right here. This is finer, I think. Although this probably has like some additives or like a film that it leaves behind, so not the ideal polishes. If you have better polishes, then please use them, or just don't polish your AirPod Pros or AirPods. Yeah, I think it's worth it. Brings me a lot of joy to see this. Nice and clean. Okay.